Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Turbo RRX3. We've just installed the RYCO Street Legal kit on it. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about the kit. So we are on the showroom floor. We don't have a lot of lighting on and it is night, but we had a request from Bill Z if we would do a video of the kit in the dark. So here we go. So this kit does replace those signature lights from Can-Am, as you see there. You still have the column mount. How does it operate? Just like a car. Down will be left. You do have those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. There you have it. So cool. So you still have that daytime on the left, the amber on the right, and with this kit, yes, you're seeing that awesome RYCO mirror as well. They function really well together. They look really good together. This is a separate part number right here. I'll post up in the description below the part number for those. And of course, with the RYCO kit, it's going to tie into the stock tail lights in the back, utilizing all of those bright LEDs in the rear. The RYCO kit is also going to come with your license plate mount. That's located right here. And an LED to illuminate the plate at night. There are a few different ways that you can mount that up. This is just one of the many ways that we do it. With the RYCO kit, you also have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Let's check it out from the front. Way nice. Tons of visibility on this one for sure. If you want to set yourself out from the crowd, this is the kit to do it with. Looks awesome. Very bright. And on the rear, once again, four-way hazard function is currently on. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. You can call or text 435-427-3338. And one of our awesome staff will get you taken care of. We do have these kits in stock, ready to ship. Let us know if you have any questions about the kit, if you need help getting street legal, or if you're just utilizing the RYCO kit for a turn signal kit in a state that you're not able to street legal. We send those out as well. Have a great night, everybody.